So this very place is already having a very ecumenical dimension. They were working together because all of them they have belonged to Christ. So even this time when we are gathering here, as Christians coming from different denominations, is even more significant and more important as we
Chizitolwanga omukame yakutuwa akuwumuze mirembe ngutuse mukulu ewa Yesu tusabire naffe tukumokukiriza Kitaffe Ssaabasumba omulamirembe Kitaffe Ssaabasumba Kizitolwanga omukame yakutuwa akuwumuze mirembe
The Trinity of prayers and fasting as far as I speak for the Mexico. So I say, that's why the church is concerned. Instead of taking them to God, I have to come here because of that issue to have a ground. Then I would also like to share with you what is Brother Young Christian Council. Whenever you join Christian Council, remember three things. There are only three members. And who are they? The Church of the Bible, the Roman Catholic Church, as well as the Catholic Church. Okay? So if any statement or announcement comes out under the UPCC, doesn't mean that all the Christians are doing it. It's not true. Okay? The three member churches of the Vatican Christian Council constitute 78% of Uganda's population. So if you add the Anglicans, the Catholics, and together, the three churches constitute 78% of our population. And UPCC was established after Uganda's independence in 1962. And they would like to start the following. Archbishop Brown, Archbishop Joseph Wadwa, and Reverend Nanjama Woodrows. So they came together. Let us give them a clap. Because we are there, things are different. And to establish at the time when the country was undergoing transition politically, economically, as well as socially. The environment in which UPCC was established was characterized by bitter conflicts between and among faith communities during the colonial era, which challenged the three Christian churches whose leaders recognized the need for Christians to witness Christ together, as we read in the Acts of the Apostles, chapter 1, verse 8.
Kitaffe Ssaabasumba omulamirembe Kitaffe Ssaabasumba kizitolwanga omukame yakutuwa akuwummuza emirembe.
Olwanyi basajja embiro zimaliriza omulamuzi omulungi akutikkira enguleyo.
Kitaffe Ssaabasumba wumula mirembe. Kitaffe Ssaabasumba
Kitaffe Ssaabasumba
kizitolwanga omukame yakutuwa akuwummuza emirembe.
ng'otuuse mu ggulu
Ewa Yesu
tusabire naffe
tukuuma okukkiriza. Kitaffe Ssaabasumba wumula mirembe. Kitaffe Ssaabasumba
Kitaffe Ssaabasumba
kizitolwanga omukame yakutuwa akuwummuza emirembe.
Linnya lya Paatiri n'erya Mwana n'erya Mwoyo Mutuukirivu. Amiina. They seem to be still with us.